We start with the latest data on COVID-19 here in Wisconsin, which shows a decreasing vaccination rate.
Here are the most recent numbers. According to the state, more than 36,000 doses were given yesterday. That's a nearly 61% drop from when numbers peaked to nearly 92,000 on March 31st. And health officials here in Northeast Wisconsin say they've noticed a similar downward trend. NBC 26's Kelsey Dickinson reports on how that could affect what's called herd immunity.
It's described as a mass vaccination site, but right now, shots at Lambeau Field are far from capacity.
Yeah, we're seeing a bit of a decline, I think, in the number of folks coming out to get vaccinated each day.
Officials say staff vaccinated between 800 and 1,000 people at the Lambeau site last week. Chief Operating Officer with Bellin Health, Charlotte Bainan, says numbers are now down between 20 and 30%.
Folks are completing their second doses, so that's contributing to the decrease in volumes.
Oconto County public health officials say they've also seen less interest in vaccine appointments lately, especially from young people.
We've done a good job of getting at the 65 and older population, those with underlying health conditions. Now it's getting to those that are younger adults.
In Oconto County, data shows just over 36% of residents have received at least one dose of the COVID-19 vaccine, with about 30% completing the series.
Trying to have people understand that it is really important for us to get our population immunity up. That is one of the ways that we're going to get the pandemic under control.
Although data shows the numbers are decreasing, area doctors say they expected it as the state entered this current vaccine phase.
What you're seeing right now in that little dip is what we've seen all along. You get done with one population, you have a dip, you move on to the next population.
Dr. Ashok Rai says the decrease itself won't impact community immunity, but says people need to continue getting vaccinated to build it up.
You need a large percentage of every age group that's eligible to be vaccinated, so the science can show itself, the virus can go away, and once we know that, we can move on.
To reach more people, the Lambeau Field Vaccination Clinic is now allowing walk-ins, and both Bellin and Prevea Health are also working to bring the vaccine to the workplace to make it more convenient. Kelsey Dickinson, NBC 26.
And partially because of that decreased demand, Oconto County Public Health will hold its final COVID-19 vaccination clinics in the next month or so. We have more information on how to make an appointment on NBC26.com.